An AI browser that is so powerful with Perplexity Comet and Chatgpt Atlas that you cannot even think in your dreams. And this AI browser is the first AI native browser in the world that you can use. It comes with Norton level privacy and security. In this CI browser, you get so strong security and privacy that you do not even get in Chatgpt, Atlas and Perplexity Comet. And the name of this CI browser is Neo Norton. And to use this CI browser, first then you have to download the CI browser in your system. So to download this CI browser, you have to type in Google Chrome. You have to enter the new note. As soon as you enter, the first website will open in front of you. You have to click on it. After that, an interface will open in front of you. You have to download this AI browser by clicking on the download new option. And when you download this AI browser, after that you have to install and sign up in the AI browser. And this AI browser is completely free, which has some such interface to see. In this you get to see the magic page at the top here where you can open new tabs. If you can group that and all those tabs, I will tell you later. First of all, you see here that you get a search bar here where you can search for anything. You can chat, or you have to reconcile anything, write a mail, create notes, brother. You can do all that work here. First of all, here you get the snap it option. Wherever you want to understand or explain anything, then you can understand it here. And brother, this AI browser does not keep any of your data with itself. When you give permission that you have to remember this thing, then this AI browser remembers that data. Or if you want to get rated anything, you can get rated. You want to send messages, you want to do shopping, you want to do any coding related work, you can do all that work here. And here you can see the history box where you will get to see chat history and browsing. You will get to see, and you will get to see the image gallery. Below here you get to see 3 options where you want to share the new browser here, then you can do it. Or if you want to send any feedback, then you can do it. And here you get the setting option. So in the settings, you want to do any customization in this new browser, or you want to create shortcuts, or you want to see shortcuts. If you want to add any security, you can do all that work here. And here you get the option of news for you, brother. In this you can find all the training news from here, and here you will find all the news you will get to see. Along with this, you get the option of visit here. By clicking on this, if you want to customize any type on the home screen, then you can customize from here. And here you get the option of new chat. If you want to lick from here, you can lick from here. Along with this, here you get to see this search time. In this, if you search for anything, like here I search for generative AI and I enter it. So first of all, here you will get to see the search that you will get to see Google search. But in this, you get to see a very big advanced feature. You can see a lot of these websites here. So here you will click on any website, then here you will get to see the option of Neo. You will see 2 options. Peek. So if you click on it, then here you can see all the things inside this website without opening the website. This means that you can use this website without opening the website here. Here you can see in which points you get, or if you want to do any type of chat related to this website, then you can do that too. Along with this, you get the second option you get to see here, summary. So if you click on this, then you want to summarize that website from here, or what is the specialty of that website. If you want to analyze all that thing, then brother, you can analyze it here. You can see that this AI browser has taken that website in such context input. Now here you will enter any chat, then here you will get to see the result that you will get to see related to this website. And here now, if we talk about the most main and advanced feature of this AI browser, then here you get another option to see grouping. So first of all, here you can see that here I have opened YouTube. 2 image and video generation models have been opened. YouTube has been opened. Generative eyes has been searched. Then here you get the option to see grouping. Then as soon as you click on it, this browser will group all these tabs and will group all those tabs into all the categories in which they fall. Like here, you can see that what I opened, YouTube, has been grouped in entertainment. And Klingjoy and Gemini have grouped 3 flash in technology. What I have searched has been grouped in search war. Brother, here you can group all the tabs like this. Here you can group all such groups, and if you need any tab later, then you can open that tab directly from here. And here it is now. Let's talk about another advanced feature of this browser. Then for that, you can see here that I am opening YouTube right now, and here I have opened YouTube. So here you are getting a lot of videos. In all these videos, if you want to summarize any video or if you want to summarize any mail or notes, then brother, you can also summarize a lot of things here. Like here, as you can see, I have a lot of videos in front of me right now. Here I open any video, and after opening the video, I click on new chat. After that, you can see here that CI browser has taken that video in such context input, and here I enter summarize this video. And here I enter, then you can see here that this AI browser has started editing that video, brother. It is perfect for that thing. If you have 1 or 2 hour video, you don't want to watch the video, or you don't have the time to watch the video. So from here, you can merge the video. Then here you can see that iBrowser has merged the entire video, in which here you can see that the title of the video is Top 43 AI Video Generator. After that, here you can see that this Top 43 and Unlimited. You can see the 4 tips that have been given about voice generator here, that this tool 1, tool 2, tool 3, tool for these tips have been given, and here I have later prompted him to edit this video in Hindi. So this iBrowser has converted that entire video into Hindi as well. Brother, here you can synthesize any such video, or now you want any kind of data related to this video, or if you want to synthesize anything else, then you can do it. And here you will get a lot of options to see by default. Like here you can see the first option you are getting. What are the limitations of these AI voice generators? Which tool provides the most natural sounding voices? You have so many of them here. If you will get options to view, then you can synchronize all those things. And brother, here you are, not a video. If you want to synchronize any mail, then here you can also synchronize the mail, or you have to create any type of notes, or you have to synchronize the notes. Brother, whatever you have to do here, you can do all the work for free. And the most important thing is that this browser is completely free, and in this browser you do not get any kind of glitch to see. All the features work well, and this browser you get very next level security. Then you have no tension of data leak, etc. And you can use this iBrowser for free with full power. So which video covers just that? The rest will let me know by commenting. How do you like the new browser? If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit the subscribe button on our channel. See you in the next video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.